Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn on mobile hotspot on Windows 11. So turning your PC into a Wi-Fi hotspot on Windows 11 can be a great way to share your internet connections with other devices. And through this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how you can activate and customize a mobile hotspot on your Windows 11 PC. So first you can just open the settings menu on your computer, and in the left sidebar you can just click on the network and internet option, and under the advanced network settings you can just select mobile hotspot in here. So just toggle the switch, so you can just toggle it to turn it on, and this will allow your PC to start sharing its internet connections. You can also customize your hotspot setting by clicking on this. Okay, so in the share my internet connection form, this one, in the drop-down menu, you can choose the internet connection that you want to share. But I only got Wi-Fi, so I cannot choose other ones. You can set network name and password. You can click on edit, and here the network name and network password. You can see in here, you can edit it if you want to. You can set a strong password to protect your hotspot. And after you entering your preferred network name and password, you can just tap on save. And on your other device, you can just search for available Wi-Fi networks and find the names of your mobile hotspot. You can just connect it and enter the passwords. Once connected, you can browse the internet using your PC's connections. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.